we are going to discuss about the work and energy. Okay? So let us see what is energy is. So energy is an indirectly observed quantity that is often understood as the ability of a physical system to do work on other physical systems. Okay, so now we are going to see what is work. So in physics, the mechanical work is a scalar quantity that can be described as the product of a force and the distance through which it acts in the direction of force. So, see in the picture, here the person is moving the wall. So, here the work is done, but there is no displacement. So, we can't say that the work is not done over there. Coming to the next example, you see that a person is throwing a ball. So, he is applying some force on the ball and the ball has been changed its position. So, we say that work is done in that example. So, the term work was first coined in 1826 by the French mathematician Gaspard Gustave Coriolis. So, if a constant force of magnitude F acts on a point that moves a distance d in the direction of the force, then the work W done by this force is calculated as work is equal to force into displacement. So, work is equal to force into displacement. For example, if a force of 10 newtons is there and acts along the point that travels 2 meters, that is distance, then it does the work W is equal to force into displacement, 10 into 2, that is 20 newtons. Okay, as it is work Newton. Understood? So, what is the basic concept? So, energy is nothing but the ability to do some work. However, to understand energy, we must understand what scientists mean by work. So, it might seem that it is work to try to solve a problem or to stand at attention for 15 minutes. But that is not work to a scientist. Coming to science, work is motion against resistance. So, lifting a box against the pull of gravity is work. As if driving a nail into a board against the friction of the wood, or winding a clock against the resistance of the spring is the work done according to the scientist. So, in doing this work, energy is used. While doing all the above mentioned work, some energy is used. Both work and energy are measured according to the distance an object is moving and the force that must be overcome to keep the object moving. Suppose a pound of iron is lifted 1 foot, then 1 foot-pound of work has been performed and 1 foot-pound of energy has been used up. So, we need energy to do any kind of work. If someone says that he does not have the energy required to do the job, he is merely reiterating this work-energy relationship. Energy is like currency in hand, which you use for shopping. Greater the energy you have, more is the amount of work you can perform. So, the last is that energy is nothing but the ability to produce or create work. Work, on the other hand, it is nothing but the ability to provide force and a change in the distance to an object. Generally, there are many types of energy, such as solar energy, but there is only one type of work. So, energy was coined since 4 BC while work was used in 1826. Generally, both work and energy are scalar quantities. So, in the next class, we are going to discuss about the types of energy.